So out of how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I only got 2 makeup items. I'm not too happy about that. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from my title, we have the Boxycharm Premium for the month of September. I literally just got this. If you want to see what I got in my Boxy Premium and is it worth the money, then keep on watching. Alright, before I begin, I want to tell you I have a few giveaways going on. I have a money giveaway going on that's actually over in a few days, so I'll leave that down below if you want to check that out. I have a few makeup giveaways in my IPSY Ultimate, in my Boxycharm, so I'll leave everything down below if you want to win some makeup. Alright, so if you don't know real quick, Boxycharm has 3 different subscriptions. They have the regular Boxycharm, which is $25 a month. I already did that. That is the one that has a giveaway in it. I will leave that down below. Then they have the upgrade, which is the Boxy Premium, which is $35 a month. And then they have the BOXYLUXE, which is every 3 months, which is $50. I did that as well. I will leave that down below. So let's just get right into the Boxycharm Premium. I have really been loving my boxes this month. Okay, so when you open it up, it says, "Hello, Charmer." And then this is what it looks like. Give you a little sneak peek. That's enough. Alright, so the theme for this month is glam vibes only. Oh, also this is, so I paid for this. This is not in PR. And I got variation 13. Alright, not too bad. My other one, my Boxycharm, was 105 or something like that. Alright, so the first thing that was on top is the Queen palette by, I don't know how to say that word. I don't know. I'm not even going to try to butcher it. Eloise? Maybe that's how you say it. And this is $48. Wow. Okay. Let's see. I love the packaging. Love it. Okay. It's alright. So it has a mirror. Hello. And, the shipping thing is very, very thin, so I don't know how this would, like, help if it was going to break. Alright, so that's what she looks like. I'm not going to swatch this because I have so many palettes like this that it'll just go to waste. I know it will. So I will put this in a future giveaway. $48 though. I don't know if I would pay $48 for this. But if you got this and you tried it, let me know down below what you think of it. The next thing is this ice roller. Now I do have this. I will run and get mine really quickly. And this is, let's see. This is from Kish. This is an ice roller that is $18. Let me go get mine so I can put this in a future giveaway as well. Okay, so this is mine. This is from the company Glow Skincare. I believe I got this in a Bella Skin box. Now, it feels very cool to the touch. This is good for, like, if you have puffy eyes that also help with, like, blood flow. But you don't have to just use this on your face. You can use this, like, anywhere on your body and stuff. They recommend to put this in the freezer, but you can also put it in the refrigerator. When I do put mine in the refrigerator, I put it like a hand towel, like, over it. That way it keeps it, like, you know, clean. But it's $18, and I don't use it too often because I don't know, maybe the size. I don't know, I just never think to use it. But I do tend to use it, like, right here when I get pains, like, on my neck and stuff, and it feels so good. So, like I said, I definitely don't need 2 of these things, so I'll put that in a future giveaway as well. And it was $18. The next thing is from Milk Makeup. What are you? What you be? This is a Kush lip scrub, and this is $22. Wow. I do enjoy lip scrubs. So that's what it looks like. I thought it was the mascara at first, but no. So there we go. All right. I'll definitely use this. Oh, and it's magnetic. Look, I like that. So when you put it in your pocketbook, the lid doesn't come off. All right, I'm definitely excited to get that. All right, so this had the lid off. This is a face oil. And is this what I chose? No, this is not what I chose. I see what is in here. I use face oils every night, so I'm really excited to get this. That's actually really pretty. All right, how much is this puppy? So this is from Emma Hardy. It's a Brilliance facial oil for $55. Let me put a little bit on my hands. So it is a dropper. I also use these for my hands, if you guys can see. It's for my diabetes. It's kind of like eczema, but it's not. And so they get dry a lot. So I also put that on my hands. All right, I'm definitely excited for this. Oh, and it smells really good. That smells amazing. All right. Okay, so this is what I picked. This is from Marc Jacobs. This is a Youthquake Gel Cream. The only thing that I'm seeing right now is this is very skincare heavy. And even like this lip scrub, I would think of skincare. So I don't know how I feel about that when this is more of a premium box and you should get a lot of makeup. But like I said, this is my choice item. And I love any kind of creams or anything like that. And this is $59. And they had for like choice, like the Marc Jacobs liquid highlighters and stuff. And I wasn't really into that. Do you hear my husband's nieces and nephews outside playing? All right, so let's see. And my God, I can't even get that open because I have that oil. Okay. And it's just like, I love gel creams. Ooh, and it's actually really filled. Let me turn you down a little bit, see if you can see. Like, I like when it's gel like this for daytime for me. All right. Definitely use that. Let me read up and see if this is supposed to be for like night or daytime. Let's see. It says this multitasking moisturizer has the perfect combination of moisturizing and retexturizing results. Why bother rehydrating dead skin cells? Oh my God. Smooth away rough texture and reveal a fresh surface that's ready to receive major moisture magnitude. So it doesn't say, so I'll try it at night first and see how it is. If it can give me like a new face, amen to that. And last but not least, we have this Stila Smudge Stick Eyeliner. What shade is this? I can't read it. Damsel or something? I can't read what it says. All right, and this is $22. And thank God it's not black, because I get so many black eyeliners that, All right, so we have that. I think this is more like a brown color. Is it, or is it black? It looks very dark. It's either a very dark brown or maybe a black. I can't tell, but I think it's more of a dark brown, which I will use. I love Stila eyeliners. They're very pretty and creamy, and they last. All right, so let's recap what I got, and then I'll tell you my thoughts. And, is it worth it? So we have this Stila eyeliner, which I will use. Would I pick this up if I seen it at the store? I would pick this up. They do a lot of sales for Stila, but I wouldn't pick this shade, I am so excited to get this facial oil overnight treatment. If this works, I would definitely pick it up again. I do like skincare. This is the ice roller. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. I already have one, and I don't use it that much as it is. Then we have this the Queen palette, which $48. I would never pay $48. I've never heard of this brand. I mean, that's just more than like Too Faced and like Tarte and stuff like that. So I don't think I'd ever pay it, but I can't knock it. I haven't tried it, but there's just not a lot of makeup in here. Then we have this sugar scrub, which I do like to get, and I'm really happy to try this from Marc Jacobs. I don't know. I definitely think you got your $35 worth. So I'm not knocking that. I just think the premium, I don't know, was yours more skincare heavy too? So out of how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I only got 2 makeup items. I'm not too happy about that. Like I like everything in this box. And the stuff that I won't use, I could put in a giveaway. What the heck? That's just scared the hell out of me. But I'm not happy with only getting 2 skincare items. I'd rather have 2 makeup items. I'd rather have 3 makeup items and 2 skincare. I really don't want skincare at all, but you know what I mean? I don't know. Let me know down below if I'm overreacting. Let me know what variation you got. I got variation 13. Let me know what you got, and was yours skincare heavy, makeup heavy? Do you think the premium was really good and now it's getting more skincare? Let me know down below all of your thoughts. Don't forget to enter my giveaways. Like I said, I have that money giveaway going on right now that is only open for a couple more days. I also have a couple makeup giveaways going on. Like I said, I'll leave everything down in my description, so make sure you enter that. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second. If you enjoy unboxing, subscription boxes, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to turn the post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it and you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. My hands are so oily. Oh my God.